What's going on, everyone? You're watching Emeroy TV, the place to move, groove, and grow. And today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to do the Peter Pan. So I'm going to teach you guys like half of the Peter Pan because it requires going both sides. It's more like a side-to-side kind of motion, but because of lack of room here, we're going to teach you both sides. I'm going to teach you both sides either way, but I'm not going to be able to rock it the same way as I could if I was in an open session. First, always make sure you're warmed up. Make sure you check out the warm-up video, links down below, because I want you guys to make sure your body is warmed up and just ready to go. All right, so coming from this from this position, okay, actually coming from a hook position, okay, all right, so coming from a hook position, okay, just going to show you guys real quick of what it looks like, okay, boom, 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 boom. Okay, and ideally, you would switch, and I would keep going, but I'm gonna kick my couch and hit my head on the shelf. Okay, so I'm gonna do it on this side, switch sides of the room, and demo the other side. Okay, so coming from, you can come from this first position from your footwork. Okay, then come to a hook. Okay, this is where the Peter Pan really starts. Okay, from here you're gonna take that step. Okay, when you take this step, I'm gonna take. Okay. You're gonna do a kick, boom, okay? What you don't want to do is flop your hip down. You're not doing a stomach, okay? Like the move stomach, not just stomach. From here, okay, boom, keep your hip up, okay, not down, boom. You're gonna actually kick, okay? From here, now I'll switch angle so you guys can see. You're gonna bring this back so your knee meets your Achilles tendon. Okay, so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Here, disconnects, boom. Okay, knee to this. Cool. So and then from there you go back to that original position. Okay, boom. Going back into the hook. Cool. And then from here you're going to go into a sling. Okay, which is this is a very different definition of what I learned about a sling, but this is what I was taught as well. Okay, sling. Okay, same thing. Knee connecting to your left knee, connecting to the right Achilles tendon, twisting out like you're showing off your butt, and come back into a hook. Okay, so let's do that again, so you guys can see. You can always rewind it if I'm missing a detail, or if my form is starting to get a little sloppy as I continue. Okay, so hopefully it's not. I'm gonna come from here, this very chill position, like, hey guys, I'm hanging out. Oh, boom, I'm gonna show some moves. Okay, so 6, 7, 8, hook, kick, switch, kick, hook, sling, in. Okay, so and then you just repeat it on the other side. Okay, I'm gonna go on this side. Okay, from here you're gonna go same thing. I'm gonna go nice and slow. Okay, ideally, you coming from this position, boom, switch, hook, okay, you're going to do the same thing, extend to keep your butt up, kick, okay. One thing I want you to also notice, when I do that kick, okay, I'm not like down here, no, my body's still up, this whole thing, I'm like doing a really awkward push-up, okay, I'm like, boom, then, boom, back. Okay, it's like a really weird push-up, then up, if you see that motion. Okay, just giving a little bit more details to think about as you're doing this. Okay, so coming from this left hook, step, kick, you're doing a push-up, up, boom, to this little hook right here, or sling with other people, depending on what you call it. Go back, boom, go up to a hook, then you do a sling on this side, sling, okay, back, switch, and then you repeat. Cool? So that's essentially what it looks like. I wish I had more space to do both. I'll demo both sides quickly. Let's do medium so you guys can practice with me, and then fast so you can practice with me. I'm going to do medium here, then fast, and switch it up. Okay, and again, if you're feeling your knees, go back to the warm-up video. It's going to teach you guys how to strengthen your knees and whatnot. Let's do medium, then speed it up. 6, 7, 8, hook, step, kick, sling, kick, hook, sling, in. Cool? So much stuff here. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, step, kick, boom, 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 boom. All right, so I just, we decided to move back real quick because I realized I'm really pushing it in terms of being out of frame. So we're gonna do it fast, switch it up, do it medium here, then fast, and we'll close it out. Okay, so from here, 5, 6, 7, 8, go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cool. So remember, we got just 2 sides. So switch. I gotta go over here now, next to my computer and everything else. So we're gonna go medium, then fast, then we'll close it out. Okay, so we're gonna do it medium. 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cool. Feeling good? Cool. Make sure to breathe. Breathe. Okay, so let's go into fast. So ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cool. Remember other side. Switch. If I do it here, I'm gonna end up kicking my PS4. So that's it for the Peter Pan. Practice it. I want you guys to take this whole time to practice your moves. If you guys didn't watch my video on how to practice at home in terms of play and technique, watch it so you guys can understand how to work on the technique while learning how to do the art of the dance. Because people are very like, no, dancing is an art, but what about the technique? So I'm very much both, the art and science of it. I want you guys to be creative, but I also want you guys to do the moves correctly as possible, and also to prevent injuries. All right, so let me come in a little closer real quick. Really right. So, all right, so that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys liked it, make sure to hit like, subscribe, share this with friends who you think might benefit from it. Make sure you also hit the little bell button. I don't know where I'm really pointing. Bell button, so you guys are getting notifications of when new videos come out. For those of you who are serious about learning how to break, but you're scared because you have no rhythm, you're not strong enough, you're not flexible enough, you're too old, too young, whatever it is, I really suggest you guys check out my course, Learn How to Break Dance and Rule the Dance Floor. It's literally day by day, step by step moves you learn. Similar to this, you learn moves, you learn the routine with the added caveat of learning the mental game of how to get comfortable performing in front of people. It's because it's one thing to learn the moves, feel good about it, but I also want you guys to feel good about doing it in front of people. And that's kind of like right. Just thinking about it, you guys are like, oh no, I don't want to perform in front of people. So I want you guys to ultimately use these moves and perform it, whether it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, the entire party. I want you guys to have that confidence, and that's one of the deep things I go into in the course. So make sure you guys check that out. Should be in the link down below. So that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.